both of our stories highlight the fact that it took one person to kind of take us under their wing, and happen to be priests, and most often that's how it goes. But one person saying, have you ever seen this? Like, I just don't know if you've seen this before. And just offering us that invitation to go and look for more. And you kind of, you get a little nibble and you just get more hungry because you realize there's so much more here. And it's exciting. And the further
exciting.
You get into it, the more excited you get.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And I think, since we both have a social media presence, I think that's both what we're trying to do. You know, so I went through, master's degree, and like, but if you go through a secular music school, you don't actually study liturgy.
Right.
You study how to be a good organist or choral conductor or singer, whatever it is, and all of a sudden you end up in a parish job, and you don't know what you don't know.
Yep.
And that's why so I think that's what we're both trying to do, is just kind of plant some of those seeds. So hopefully some of what you're seeing from either one of us is helping you a little bit. We're definitely not trying to be holier than thou or anything like that. But it's more like, okay, somebody shared this with me, and I know that there are people who need to see this stuff because it hasn't been shared with them.
Right.